Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is live price prediction of Polygon coin, my brother. And previous days, Polygon will wake up and take a very huge jump, my brother. So therefore, my friends, especially all experts, my brother, and all holder are focusing on Polygon. So therefore, I also, my friends, starting to make videos for Polygon, and I love Polygon. And absolutely, from last I think 20 days ago, my brothers, to I invest in Polygon, and absolutely, my brother, I am completely and the profit. You can see, my brother, just in only this is live, my brother. As you can see here, last 1 month chart is on the screen, and July 22, from July 22 to, my friends, they will starting moving. And I already says to from last 20 days, my friend, 20 days ago, to I invest and Polygon. So therefore, as you can see here, and July, when, my friends, the coin is starting moving upward, July 22, so I invest, and definitely from July 22 they will moving upward continuously to August 11, my brother, as you can see here. So I think this is something like 20 days, I think. Yes, something like 20 days. Yes, 1920. Yes, my brother. So this is absolutely completely and the profit, and I am today just in only, as you can see here, 33.93% profit. But my friend, you can see here in the start of this month they will fail us down, but after that, my brothers, they will continuously moving upward now. So therefore, I have planned, my brothers, to, and my friend, in the last 10 days of month, every coin, my brother, will moving upward. So therefore, I have planned to sell at the end of month. This is my opinion for all of you to please hold. And those days, definitely it's a time of others to get a profit. In upcoming days, I am 100% sure they will give you a profit. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, Polygon holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type of informative and urgent update videos. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, please.